Hi guys, welcome back. So my BTS tote bag video actually is doing really well that I decided to do another BTS themed project. And today, I know I talked about the different transfer iron-on, the print and iron-on. Today I'm going to try this one because I gifted the tote bag to my coworker. I don't know how it's holding up. So I'm going to use this one today, and this is the one I bought from Amazon. I'm going to try this out on a cheap sweater that I bought off at Walmart, and then we're going to see how well it holds up, and then I could compare the different ones to each other. So we're going to use this one today, and I printed, instead of like the BTS members themselves, I actually printed the BT21. Isn't that cute? Little characters and an army right there. So we're gonna put this on the sweater and see how that goes. Alright, I have my heat press already preheating here. Put this on. Paper. I think that's going to be big enough. That's going to be big enough. I've decided it's not like it's not like butcher paper is like super expensive, but it does, the projects do bleed, so I think it's better to just cut a small piece, and then after you sublimate it on, press it on, to just throw it away, because I don't want that happening again where a shadow of my previous project shows up on the new one. So again, read the instructions. I don't remember. I think one of them wasn't peeling very well. I think this one is a warm peel instead of a hot peel. So we'll do this right now. Let's see. Oh, actually, let's prep this first. How about that? How about we do that? Get rid of some moisture here. If anyone wants to comment on the best way to actually get this onto a project instead of just kind of taking it off the backing. I mean, this is one solid image, but I remember when I was trying to do it when it was like somewhat loose. It was hard. So, I don't want it too high. Let's see. Oh, the chair's in the way. Does that look like it's a good? I think that's good. I don't know. That's good. butcher paper on, just so I don't burn things, my Teflon. And this does say 375 for 13 seconds at maximum pressure. Okay, maximum. I might break this if I put maximum. Okay. Oh. It was on 15 seconds, so I'm just going to keep it at 15 seconds. Alright. Turn that on. Oh, it's so cute. It's so freaking cute. Smoking. Okay, warm peel. It said warm peel. I don't want to mess this up. It says 30 seconds. Okay, well, let's see. So, remember in my other video where I was having issues with the ink smearing with the Caesar? Maybe it's my printer now, I don't know, but there's a little bit of ink kind of going across the background here. But I don't think it'll be too much of an issue. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Look at it. Oops, other way. Isn't that the cutest thing? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to wear this to work just so I can show my coworker, and she's gonna be like, give it to me. I might have put it on lopsided. Oops. That's fine. I think it's okay. Isn't this the cutest thing? Oh my god. Get off. See? I don't know if you could tell. It's on there on the butcher paper. So don't be cheap like me. Use it and then pass it. So on my next one, once I figure out what I'm gonna, I think I bought a few sweaters. It was on clearance. So I think my next one I'm gonna try the pen and gear. I just don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I haven't decided. I've been kind of thinking about doing maybe Sailor Moon. I don't know. I love Sailor Moon too. That reminds me of my childhood. So this is the new project. I will keep you guys updated on how well it holds, because the Hello Kitty one, it looked like this when I first ironed it on. Like, it looked really good, but then I think after a while it starts to like bleed and fade. Let me go grab it real quick. So this is what it looked like. Nice, crisp, bright colors from what I remember. I could go rewatch my video. But now it looks like this. Like, the lines are not as defined. It's very blurry looking. Like, I forgot to put my glasses on type of blurry. And then the colors are not like, he was green, he was yellow, and now they kind of look like they're the same color. Zoom out a little bit. They kind of look like they're the same color now. That's Maru and Choco Cat, I believe. They don't look black, they look brown now. So I'm hoping this holds up a little bit better. And it was cheaper. I don't know if you can, my dog's just going crazy right now. It was cheaper because it was, I mean, about the same price, but this came with 10 pieces, And then I believe the Hello Kitty one that I did was, it was the Jolie's. And I believe this was, I think, the same, about the same price as this, as the Amazon one. But it's 5 pieces. So if this holds up really well, I think it's better to just order this online, but we'll see how well it does. And then my next project, I will do the pen and gear and see how that holds up. I mean, I still wear this all the time, but then again, I like sweaters, so. Except this is a hoodie, and this is just a regular sweater because it was on sale. So it's a good thing I'm just buying like cheap clothing so that I could try these out, and then you guys can see how well they hold up. So these are the ones. Obviously I don't know what to do with the Caesar one because I can't print on it. I can't print because it keeps smearing. It's too, I don't know if you guys remember, it was wet actually for days and I didn't know. I even took my heat press and hovered over it because I saw that some people said that will help dry the ink out a little bit faster. And I did that and I held it and I was like, I don't know how long I'm supposed to hover it, how high above I'm supposed to hover it without it actually touching the ink. So I just I don't know what to do with this.